Yes, tidal slide. Told you in Shenandoah National Park right now in Virginia. It's beautiful. I'm using a GoPro here to show you the abrasion caused by running water. You can see those water molecules going over the rock. Over time are going to round the rocks. You see the water is going pretty high velocity. Pretty steep slope there. And you can see, again, the abrasion happening. See, those are lichens on the rock, by the way, that break down the rock and could eventually turn into soil. The running water is rounding the rocks, and you can see various vantage points of that. So I will stop talking and let you enjoy it. You can see that side, actually, I lied. That side, the water's not moving as quickly, and then on that side, you can see where there's a lot more erosion happening because the water is going significantly faster there. So just another example how the water can round the rocks. You see that water going over the edge of the rock will round it over time. That's why rocks that are eroded by running water are rounded. So just another example from the Shenandoah Valley. So we got a nice, beautiful day. Jordan Pond, Acadia National Park. Everything's fine. Everything's great. Or so we thought. Ooh, look at the nice little ecosystem in there, which is why we filmed it for ecosystems. And things just went horribly wrong, as you will see. Irrefutable proof, the existence of the Loch Ness Monster. Or some crazy people think it was a tadpole, but I think we know. We all can agree. It's a harrowing experience.